just when Canon and Sony thought they had the high-end enthusiast market completely cornered. Fujifilm went ahead and did something absolutely mental. If you are currently shooting with the X-T5, or if you have been aggressively saving up your hard-earned money to switch to a full-frame system for better performance, you need to pause everything right now. An official factory registration leak under the model code FF260001 has just surfaced, and alongside major retail supply chain leaks from Vietnam, the heavily guarded curtain on the next generation Fujifilm X-T6 has completely collapsed. We're not just talking about a minor, incremental spec bump or a fancy new paint job here. The leaked data reveals an absolute powerhouse that is fundamentally built to redefine what an APS-C camera can actually achieve. We are looking at a revolutionary new processing platform, a highly anticipated sensor technology shift, internal 8K cinema capabilities, and a physical design alteration that is already causing an absolute war in the photography community. In this video, we are going to break down every single confirmed registration detail, the leaked internal specifications, the expected global pricing structure, and the exact release timeline. More importantly, we are going to analyze whether these upgrades are genuinely game-changing or if it is all just marketing hype, so you can decide if you should buy a camera now or wait for this beast to drop. Make sure you turn on your notifications and hit that subscribe button because the camera landscape is about to shift in a massive way, and you do not want to miss a single detail of this breakdown. To truly understand why the X-T6 is creating such massive waves across the industry, we have to look directly at the heart of the machine, which is a brand new sensor design. According to the latest leaks, Fujifilm is introducing a 40-megapixel partially stacked X-Trans CMOS6 HRBSI sensor. Now, if you are wondering what on earth a partially stacked sensor actually means for your daily shooting, let me break it down in plain English. Traditional sensors read out data line by line, which can often cause a nasty rolling shutter effect, making straight lines look completely skewed when you pan quickly or shoot fast-moving subjects. A fully stacked sensor, like the one found in the high-end XH2S, places a dedicated memory layer directly beneath the pixels to read data almost instantaneously. But those sensors are incredibly expensive to manufacture. Fujifilm has brilliantly found the perfect middle ground with a partially stacked architecture. This means they are integrating DRAM layers between the pixel array and the logic board, giving you a massive boost in readout speed without forcing you to pay a ridiculous premium price. If you have ever felt held back by the electronic shutter limitations on the X-T5, this new sensor is going to feel like an absolute dream. It means you can look forward to blistering fast burst shooting rates, virtually non-existent rolling shutter distortion, and an incredibly responsive live viewfinder with zero blackout during continuous shooting. On top of that, the dynamic range is getting a substantial hardware-level optimization, meaning your highlights and shadows will retain far more detail, giving you maximum flexibility when you bring your files into Lightroom or Capture One. Of course, a lightning-fast sensor is completely useless if you do not have the computational horsepower to process all that massive data, and that is exactly where the unannounced X Processor 6 comes into play. This new processor is the driving force behind the camera's insane new capabilities, allowing the system to handle complex algorithmic math without breaking a sweat or turning your camera into a literal hand warmer. One of the most mind-blowing features enabled by this new chip is the newly upgraded 200-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode. Now, Fujifilm has experimented with pixel shift before, but it has traditionally required a computer to merge the files and was highly sensitive to even the slightest camera shake. The X-T6 is rumored to heavily streamline this process, allowing you to capture astronomical levels of detail that rival medium format systems. Whether you are doing commercial product photography, fine art landscape work, or archival document scanning, having the ability to pull a clean 200-megapixel file out of a compact A PSC body is an absolute game changer that will make full-frame shooters look twice. But the processing upgrades do not just stop at static image resolution. The X-Processor 6 completely rewrites the script for low-light performance. Thanks to advanced noise reduction algorithms operating at a deep hardware level, the color fidelity at high ISO settings is reportedly much cleaner than what we have seen on previous generations, effectively closing the gap between APS-C and full-frame sensor performance when the sun goes down. The biggest real-world upgrade you are going to notice is the tenacity of the sticky tracking. The leaks indicate that even if a subject turns their head completely away from the camera or gets temporarily obstructed by a tree or a passing object, the AI algorithms can predict the trajectory and keep the focus point exactly where it needs to be. For wedding videographers, street photographers, and wildlife enthusiasts who cannot afford to lose a single frame to a hunting lens, this overhauled autofocus framework might just be the single biggest reason to make the upgrade to the X-T6. If you thought the photography upgrades were impressive, wait until you hear what Fujifilm has done for the videographers. The X-T6 is officially crossing over into true cinema territory by offering internal 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second in glorious 10-bit 4:2:2 color. It also features a stunning oversampled 4K high-quality mode derived directly from the full 8K readout, resulting in some of the sharpest, cleanest video files you have ever seen from an APS-C system. Now, let us talk about the feature that has completely split the professional photography community right down the middle, sparking massive arguments on every camera forum on the internet. The leaks strongly indicate that Fujifilm is moving away from the classic, beloved three-way tilting LCD screen found on the X-T5 and replacing it with a fully articulating, multifunctional flip-out touchscreen display. For hybrid creators, vloggers, and solo videographers, this is an absolute dream come true, because it finally allows you to easily monitor yourself while framing up a shot in front of the lens. However, the die-hard traditional street and landscape photographers are absolutely furious about this change, because a flip-out screen shifts your axis away from the lens, making discrete waist-level shooting significantly more awkward in the field. It is a massive design gamble for the X-T line, but it clearly shows that Fujifilm is positioning the X-T6 as the ultimate, uncompromised hybrid tool for the modern content creator market. To help sweeten the deal, the body will feature an upgraded 8.5-stop in-body image stabilization matrix, allowing you to shoot handheld, cinematic video, or incredibly long shutter exposures without ever needing to pack a bulky tripod or a heavy gimbal. And of course, it wouldn't be a Fujifilm camera without talking about color science. The X-T6 will come packed with over 20 distinct film simulations, including the highly coveted, incredibly lifelike Reala Ace simulation, giving you those gorgeous, magazine-ready JPEG colors straight out of the camera without spending hours grading in post-production. All right, let us get down to the most important details that everyone has been waiting for, which are the official launch window and the global pricing structure, based on the newly uncovered factory registration timeline and history. Fujifilm is officially scheduled to unveil the X-T6 in September of this year. September has historically been an incredibly active launch month for Fujifilm's flagship announcements, and all signs indicate they are on track for a massive global release right before the lucrative holiday shopping season kicks off. In terms of pricing, because of the massive hardware upgrades, the inclusion of the partially stacked sensor architecture, the AI processing chip, and the advanced internal cooling mechanics, we are going to see a price correction compared to the older model. The leaked insider retailer listings point to an expected retail launch price sitting somewhere between $2,100 and $2,300 for the body alone. When you look at the entire picture, the Fujifilm X-T6 is shaping up to be an absolute masterpiece of modern camera engineering. It completely addresses the processing bottlenecks, the autofocus tracking complaints, and the rolling shutter limitations of the past, while packing a massive cinematic punch with internal 8K video and legendary color science. If you are a photographer who absolutely hates fully articulating screens and only shoots static portraits, the current X-T5 might still be the perfect camera for your workflow. But if you are a modern hybrid creator who demands top-tier speed, cutting-edge AI autofocus tracking, flawless video flexibility, and an elegant retro body that inspires you to go out and shoot every single day, the X-T6 is shaping up to be the ultimate mirrorless camera to wait for. I want to hear from all of you down in the comments section below. Are you completely thrilled about the shift to a fully articulating flip-out screen? Or do you prefer the old-school tilting style? Are these leaked specifications enough to make you upgrade your current setup? Or are you staying put? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button if you found this breakdown valuable, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss our full hands-on review the moment this camera officially hits the market. Thank you so much for watching, keep creating, and I will see you all in the very next video.